friends, I'm Parikshet from
Kids Fun Club.
And we are going to draw easy insects.
Easy drawing of a lot of insects.
Yeah.
Let's start with the number one drawing of a bug.
Of a ladybug.
Okay, ladybug. Why is it called a ladybug?
Because lady.
Let's finish the drawing. Make the drawing fast. Very easy drawings, okay?
Why are we going to do it fast? Why, Papa?
So these are easy ones.
Why do we have to do it fast?
As I said, these are easy ones.
Papa, it's looking like a Pokemon
Yeah.
catcher ball.
Let's finish it up.
But if these are easy ones also, it has to look nice also now.
Yes, obviously.
Not like if it's easy, I will not make it look nice.
Okay. This is done. The next drawing is of a fly.
What fly?
Are you done, Parikshet?
No, Papa.
Get it done fast.
Coloring. Okay.
Okay. Let's quickly color these.
No, Papa.
Yeah.
Why?
You want to color at the last?
Yeah.
Okay, let's color it at last. Now, here. Take this.
We are going to draw a bee.
Yeah. Let's draw a bee. The round mouth, face. The wings. The legs.
He had drawn a Minecraft bee also.
Yeah.
It was a little difficult, the Minecraft bee.
These are all easy insect drawings.
Yeah. But the Minecraft bee was very difficult. Right, Papa? Papa, with this question, whatever we are going to able to color, we are going to color that, okay?
Yes. Okay, the next one is
What?
just follow us.
What are we going to draw next? Maybe another.
Butterfly.
Let's draw a butterfly next.
So the butterfly is also done. Parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us, as we always say, on Instagram, and tag us at @KidsFunLearnClub and #KidsFunLearnClub. Also, you can buy some exciting drawing books from our website www.kidsfunlearnclub.com/books.
Yep. And we have a lot of other things as well.
Yes, keep watching the new videos that we keep coming up with every day. Lot of new
Whose
videos.
drawing was better?
Parikshet's drawing is always better. Yes?
Yeah.